Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am here to share this journal kit with you all. Digital journal kit. Let me see if I can. Ah, never mind. Um, so I was watching Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl here on YouTube, and she had released this digital kit. I was like, OMG, I gotta have it. So I went to her Ko-Fi and purchased the kit, and it's wonderful. I am enjoying it. She's also having a Road to 2000 on her channel, so go check her out and subscribe to her, and let's get her to her goal. Um, Yeah, so I'll have her link down below for that challenge, I think. And also, so you guys can go check her out and maybe purchase this kit. Is beautiful. I love it. And let me share. You get 60 plus pages of printables. And these are the printables I got, well, that I printed out so far. There's more. So some of these papers I just printed on copy paper because when I'm collaging, I like thinner paper versus thicker paper. And so the ephemera here is on 80-pound cardstock. So I like my ephemera to have a little bit of stability. And then the background pages, I don't mind, copy paper. So let me just share some of the pages. Look at that. That's sweet. Oh my gosh, polka dots. This one I used, I could just use portions of this paper, on a card or something. I don't have to use it as an 8.5 by 11. It's just so pretty. Look at that one. The little girl, the strawberries. It's adorable, Jen. I love it. And then this one with the gingham. I love the ivory and the red and the green. And then here is like a strawberry plaid, which is so cute with strawberries and flowers and polka dots and gingham. It is adorable. And then here's the ephemera pieces that I printed. I've already used a couple of them. And some strawberry words, berry patch princess. Every day is berry good, strawberry season. So lots of things to use in your projects. I love this one with the paper dolls and the strawberry baskets. Everything strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Here are more little girls. I should have put one of these on my ATC or my altered playing card, but I'll do that again. So, oh, these adorable girls. I love this one with the pigtails. Love it. Adorable. And then these. I love all of this stuff. Can't wait to use them. I love the guest check. The pretty doily. This one. So yeah, this is going to be fun to cut out and add to things. You can print these out on copy paper and just do a collage of all of it. Oh, that would be really cool. And then here's some sentiments, I guess. Sweet as strawberries, homegrown, happy, live life in full bloom. Oh, they're cute. They're just really cute. So And then she also had some Halloween ones on her Ko-Fi. So I did buy, no, I think this was free in her Ko-Fi. So anyway, um, so go check out Sassy Southern NC Girl, Jen, for this kit. And I'm also going to, this is for Saturday Morn Makes as well. And here is my altar playing card. And I just layered some papers and just glued them on, inked the edges, kind of curled up some papers. So they get, this is, my card is still shiny, but I left it that way. This is a piece of the ephemera. This is a piece of the ephemera. I don't know if you can see it better there. This is a piece of the ephemera. This is part of the paper. And I just love how that looked together. So that is my make for Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jill at Jill Norwood. She just filmed some Happy Mail that she got. I wish you um, many blessings, Jill, and hopefully, you'll get back into crafting again. So, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.